Ano to? Pag ganyan. Yan.
Hi, Mr.
Hello.
Famous.
Hi, Dave. Hi, Dave. So, we're going to buy tickets here.
We're the new YouTubers.
Dave, show yourself. Hello. Going to buy. You go first. Go. 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 Explain yourself, you mother cheating us. So we're going to walk. So we're going to walk around like a bullshit. Shit and a bullshit. A bullshit. A big one. Why? We're going to run why? Faster. Faster, yeah. Go. Okay. So we're going to run in a sticky place. Yeah. But I wish my phone, I'm not going to be hold up. You know? Hold up. Because my phone is iPhone. So I wish not to be hold up. Where are we going to buy Sina? I'm ready. Here. Hold the phone.
Okay lang. Ikaw na muna.
Where are we going to do?
There.
The new store over there. Oh, it's closed. Oh, fuck. How?
Saan tayo bibili?
Oh, but there's a new one. There.
Johnny the Doggy there.
It's a big dog, not a little. You know, in Manila, sometimes the place is glitchy and shitty, but it's very, very beautiful. Ay, yung ganito. Mabigat to. It's very heavy.
Alin?
It's heavy. Oh,
35.
35. Oh, mabigat siya. It's heavy.
ganito yung kaya?
Ha?
Diba ganito yung kaya?
Oo.
Pagkano yung ganito? 35. Ito 50 kayo? 60. Pwede na lang.
50.
Alin? Isa.
Isa po yung red.
Ay, ano to be? 132.
Yung head, A6 yung head, oh. 5.
5 lang.
5 headed.
Ito 132.
Ano, 5 headed. Oh.
Ito na lang.
What's yours? You want to?
Ano may dulo sa inyo? There, magkano to? 50 na lang, te. 60 yan.
Pwede po po. Hindi ko siya akin to Perez.
Hindi, 50 lang. 60 nga to eh. 50.
You have some barley. Yes, I have coins. 1 week and you will pay that freaking thing. Almost finished. So, we have the... Wait. Wait. We're going to test it. Testing. Okay.
Saan mo na ilak first light? Nagbayad na ako.
It's okay. Okay, let's go. Go home.
Let's go home.
Let's
Bye.
go home. To the place where I belong.
Goodbye.
Later.
Hiran.
Ikakat na lang natin. This is the place that I belong.
We will see again the little.
The tomato has its own way. I was a crab, little crab one. Now I know I can be happy as a clam. But I'm beautiful baby girl. Did you gonna say listen to your heart? Gosh, do you fit there? Do you fit? Do you fit there? Do you fit there? Oh, it fit! Ah! That's impossible! That's impossible! But how? How did you fit there? There, did you fit there? What the heck? Impossible! I'd rather be shiny like your super long, graceful, thick. Shiny like your
You hold it. You
super
hold it.
Why
Lisa, hold it.
No,
Don't pay you.
I will keep it, but it's yours. It's yours. It's yours. It's yours. That's it. It's very dark here. So we're going home. If we're almost in my house, I will stop the video. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel and subscribe to David Erin Torres channel. Please subscribe because that's the only thing he knows. Please subscribe. Yes, he don't have any videos, but please subscribe. Please subscribe any videos, but please subscribe because he will post a video and I'm handsomer than him. Just kidding. He's
Do you
handsome.
also know what is a spotted smash?
No! No! So we're almost to my house. So please subscribe and get a thumbs up for our video. And
Watch the
please, no haters because that will kill me. Okay? So say bye, Dave. Bye.